This is the complete Chaincase Teardown from our 2001 Harley-Davidson Road Glide. Every component removed step by step until we reach the stator at the core of this twin cam 88 engine. If you've ever wondered how deep you have to go to service a Harley's charging system, this is it. My friends call me Slick, and this is Midwest Moto Parts 6051. Got the pushrod end in the center of the clutch basket. This is the adjuster plate. It's secured inside of the pressure plate with a internal snap ring. It's a Barnett Diaphragm Spring. Alright, we've got the pressure plate along with the clutch fibers and steels. Fibers on the clutch plates look really good. Nice and clean. All right, now we have the Mainshaft Nut in the center of the clutch hub. That nut is a reverse thread. So I'm actually in forward removing the main shaft nut. There we have it. Opposite the main shaft nut is the compensator, and that's a regular oriented thread. Clockwise tightening, counterclockwise loosening. So remember, the compensator nut is a reverse thread. Here we have the sliding cam. The compensator sliding cam. So we've got the clutch basket along with the primary chain in the Compensator Sprocket. Jeez, look at what you have to do to change the stator. This explains why everyone always chooses the regulator first to change when they're having charging problems. My battery won't charge. I'm gonna start with the regulator first. It's the easiest. Wrong. There we have a special tool to remove the Stator Rotor. Sometimes you can get it off by hand, but a tool makes it a lot nicer to work with. And there you have it, guys. There's the stator. Got the 4 bolts, and stator's out of there. We've got the sprocket, shaft, spacer, inside of the stator. All parts will be cleaned, inventoried, and uploaded to our website, MidwestMotorParts.com. We're at the tail end of the teardown of the chain case from this 2001 Harley-Davidson Road Glide twin cam 88-inch motor. Last few pieces here, we've got the starter pinion gear, we've got the shaft extension for the starter. Got these last 4 bolts for the stator. That will conclude this teardown of the chain case from the 2001 Harley-Davidson Road Glide. Once again, my name is Slick. Midwest Moto Parts, located in Chicago Heights, Illinois, 60411. Give us a follow on YouTube if you'd like content like this. And there's the stator, 29987, OEM Harley-Davidson part number.